Hi guys, I'm so happy that you want to learn HTML and CSS, and hopefully in future I'm going to put all the languages that's going to be available, not all of them, but most of them that is really today is used for programming language. HTML and CSS actually they are not programming language, but close to that one. That is only presentation how on the internet, whatever that we want to write, they call markup language. Okay, standard markup language. And the CSS actually is as a presentation how your whatever that you write is going to be on the screen on internet or your phone. So when you want to write it, you have to have a text editor. Actually, there are few text editors available, but if you are on the PC, you have to go to the notepad to use it. And if you are on Mac, you can use it text edit on Mac. Those are free. There are so many text editors free. Whichever that you want to go to the search engine and find it, whichever that you are comfortable, use it. What I'm using Sublime Text. That's free, but it has a paid for it too. But if you are not using that many times, I think you can use that Sublime Text. It's very beautiful text editor and it's very colorful and it's easy to follow it actually. So if you want to use Sublime, I put here the site. You can go to Sublime Text, text.com, and actually I think it should be free, and then download it and come back. Anyhow, I have it, I downloaded already and I have it in the screen. So let me show it. Actually, I have Sublime Text, how you can download it and you go through that one and how it's good to write a code in Sublime. Okay, I'm right now in Sublime. I'm going to test the first file. So I'm going to the file, I go to the new file, and most important thing, I have to save this file before I start it. And if I'm using HTML, I have to use it, go save as, and wherever that you want to save it, actually I can use it on desktop. I'm going to desktop and I'm going to use it actually in my first project. So it's going to be one, I just put it one, and that's HTML. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. It's already saved. So let me go step by step how it's going to be that. HTML has opening and close tags. For example, right now, when I want to start, I said bracket, you have an open bracket, HTML, and I close the bracket, and actually again, here HTML. The reason that is on Sublime Text is automatically close the bracket, but if you are using the other one, you have to type it. So this is the first start of the and close it. And the second one is going to be second tag that you have to have it. Again, open bracket, you have head, HAD, and then closing tags again. Between that one, you have a title. Title, you have it, which you are going to use it, and then you close the title. Between this title, you have to put the first page that appear on the screen is going to be that. My first screen is going to be, I put it as an index. That is norm for the first page is going to be index. And then we have the body. Okay, the body tag, which they call it, the body tags, open and close it, has it. This is whatever that you write on the screen. Here, whatever that you write, it comes. I'm going to go step by step to see as many tags as possible I cover. Okay, so the first one I'm going to cover it is going to be P tags. P tag is for paragraph. So I said open tag, P, close tags, and here again closing that tags. So if I write anything here, I say just write hello world, hello, or just that's hello, and just paragraph, and I save it. I have to save all of the times, and actually just save as whatever it is right here, and I want to replace it. That's okay. So now that's good. Now if I run this one, if you are using Sublime Text, you can go on click on the left side and open in browser. When I open a browser, here it is. Whatever I wrote, it comes. And actually here it is one. I have to see that, okay, file where it is on the desktop, and the name of the series 1 HTML. So I close this one. So here how it's easy to work. And then we have different tags. I'm going to go all those tags. Then I have heading tags. Heading tags from H1 we have to H6. Then I'm going to have, let me see that was a different between those one. I'm just copy something that you are going to learn in future. It's most of the time we avoid to type so many things, so it's going to be as much as possible to just copy and paste it. So that is heading 2. Let me say what's the difference between all the heading and heading 3, and again it's closing heading 3. So if I tab it, it's going to close heading 3. What's heading 2? I have to do it heading 3. And let's copy the same thing, the hello, and see what is going to happen. You have up to heading 6, and I'm going to do it and open the browser and see what's the difference. So as much you are coming down up to heading 6, it's coming to be, so this heading that you are using, the first one paragraph, and this, the all 3 of them is going to be heading that's going to be using. That is how it's going to be used with all HTML. Let me give you some more information. So if you want, just you have up to heading 6. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me see heading 6, and open bracket heading 6, and let me see. I make sure that I did it right, and then heading 6. And if I type, did I copy paste that one and save it and run it, you see that how it's going to be smaller. Then the next step you are going to, I hope just up to now you learn it. What is the best right now you do? You just go type HTML and head title and give whatever name that you want to go for the title, and body, open a body, and just write this 4th thing and rewrite it by yourself and save it and run it. So if you ran it on the desktop, let me slow it down, that one for desktop, see what's happened. I ran it on my desktop and I call this one one, right? HTML1 HTML. So if I go on my desktop and I click on the same one HTML, so what will happen? It's come, here it is. I'm going to run it. So it's going. So if you save it on your desktop, go on your desktop, double click on that one, it comes on your screen. So it's going to open your browser, which browser that you have. So open. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Practice few times and come back for next lesson. Enjoy your time.